Good morning everyone. Now the next chemical property of haloarine is reaction with metal. So the first reaction is with the sodium metal. This is known as the reaction with sodium metal, or it is a naming reaction known as a Wurtz-Fittig reaction. When haloarine is treated with haloalkane, this one is the haloarine and this is the haloalkane. When haloarine is treated with haloalkane and sodium metal dissolve in anhydrous ether, and arene is formed as the product, and this is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction, and this arene is known as the toluene when the benzene ring contain the CH3 group. Now the second is the Fittig reaction. Now the only difference between the Wurtz-Fittig reaction and the Fittig reaction is that here one is the haloarine and second one is the haloalkane. Now here both are the haloarine. In case only haloarine take part in the reaction, the product is biphenyl, and biphenyl, this is also known as diphenyl, and the reaction is known as the Fittig reaction. Here now this is the chlorobenzene, this is sodium. Now this part is eliminated, this one part is eliminated, and we get the biphenyl. Next type of chemical reaction is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. The mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction is same, that is this one, like the electrophilic substitution reaction. Both the mechanism are same. Now under the nucleophilic substitution reaction, there is a replacement by the hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group means OH group. So when the chlorobenzene is heated in presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide solution at a temperature of 623 Kelvin, and 300 atmosphere is the pressure, so we get phenol. So this is the replacement by the hydroxyl group. The last topic of this chapter is polyhalogen compounds. It means that the carbon compound containing more than one halogen atom are called polyhalogen compound. The first type of polyhalogen compound is dichloromethane, also known as methylene chloride, and the formula is CH2Cl2. It is prepared by the chlorination of methane in presence of sunlight. It is prepared by the chlorination of methane in presence of sunlight. It is a liquid at room temperature and very useful solvent and act as a paint remover. It is that is dichloromethane is harmful for both animal as well as plant. It damages the human nervous system, and direct contact with eyes, it can even burn the cornea and may lead to the blindness. Now the second one is the trichloromethane, that is known as the chloroform, and the formula is CHCl3. It is a sweet smelling colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 61.2 degrees Celsius, immiscible in water. It is inflammable and its vapor burn with green flames. Chloroform is slowly oxidized by air in bright sunlight, this is in presence of sunlight, to form a very poisonous gas called the carbonyl chloride, and it is COCl2. It is also known as phosgene, that is COCl2 stand for the phosgene. Therefore it is stored in a closed dark color bottle completely filled so that air is kept out. Now the next one is the triiodomethane, and it is also known as iodoform. This is iodoform and the formula is CHI3. It is used as a antiseptic because when it dissolves it liberates the iodine. That's why it is used as a antiseptic. It is a yellow crystalline solid with a characteristic unpleasant smell. Next one is the tetrachloromethane, that is carbon tetrachloride, and it is termed as CCl4. It is a colorless oily liquid immiscible with water. It is used as a cleansing agent both in the industry as well as in the home because it can easily dissolve greasy and organic matter. Now the next one is the freons. Freons are the chlorofluorocarbon compound of methane and ethane and they are known as the freons. They are stable, unreactive and non-toxic. Freon 12. The formula for the freon 12 is CCl2 F2 is the most common freon. Now the last one is known as the PP diphenyl trichloroethane. In short, it is termed as a DDT. It is termed as DDT. The formula of DDT is this one. It is a very effective insecticide for the sugarcane and the fodder crops. DDT was also an important anti-malarial since it destroyed the Anopheles mosquitoes which spread the malaria.